Welcome to FXStreet. Today we are going to be talking about Uniswap and a potential outbreak out of the bullish triangle that we are seeing on a daily chart. But first, before we dive into the technicals, please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FXStreet Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in cryptocurrency markets. If we have a look at Uniswap, we see that the end of the downtrend that has occurred beginning of November and has been trading lower until the 24th of January is slowly but surely coming to an end with a very short, early uptrend that we can define by a few tests here and barely here on January 31st against the green trend line, which is now causing that with higher lows coming in. Price pressure is mounting up towards will probably be around that 1292. Although more very short term, we see or we can define with the high of the January 23 a sort of triple top here at $11.89. So expect this to be a sort of a double triangle with, in the first phase, this 11.89 to be taken out quite easily as it only covers ground from the past 10 days. And once that pops above it, it can then start to look at the 12.92, which is a more historical long level, as you can see here, where we can mark up the falling knife action on December 4th and on the 23rd of May 21. So that level is a bit more impressive and it holds a bit more historical relevance. So it will be a bit tougher to come across. So that will see bulls coming in with conviction as first. And secondly, will also depend on external sentiment, which will need to be there and attribute in order to create enough momentum to shoot above this 1292 handle. So that means that we need to have a look on overall global markets as well. And as global markets are making a full recovery of the January losses, that could mean that stars are aligned for Uniswap to already take out possibly today or tomorrow that 1189 level, and then maybe by Friday hit or even break above the 1292 level. If it would be breaking above and even close above, that would be perfect, because that would mean for the next coming week that this whole system, around 47% of gains will be wide open. But for now, for this week, let's presume first that we can break above the red line here. That's already 5% in the game. And if we go further on, by the end of the week, we should be looking at almost 15% of price appreciation. So bulls in Uniswap will be seeing their portfolio grow with 15% of value in there, which is not bad. And even so, this level will for almost certainly spark a bit of profit taking. So that will be important to see how bulls will behave, how investors will behave, and will be sitting on their hands in order to make a possible break above and even a close above this 1292 in order to ramp up price action further up in the next week, alongside with the positive sentiment that's currently going on in global markets. On the other hand, should there be some negative news, some negative economic data, it can always be that price action falls back a little bit, and then normally the green ascending trend line should still be in there to give plenty of support, as it already did and on the past 2-3 occasions. Should it still be breaking, it's still no worry, as we have the $10 big figure level coming in, sort of psychological, which played as well on the 27th and 28th of January. And in the very worst case, it could be a 9.62 return. That would mean that we go back to the low of January 24th. But as said, normally the green ascending trend line should give plenty of back support for a new uptrend to start. That's it for Uniswap for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FXStreet Crypto.